on the beach in one of the most beautiful cities in Mexico, which is Playa del Carmen. Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. My name is Osvaldo Ortega. I'm your real estate consultant in Riviera Maya, and today we are with Ayrton Garza, which is an in-house broker of Miranda Condos and Marila Condos, which is the products that we're gonna talk about right now. And before to start, I would like to introduce my friend Ayrton. How are you?
Pleasure to meet you. Thank you for having me here, Osvaldo.
Thank you so much. We did this part already on the showroom. You will see it during the video. But right now, in this part of this project, this is Miranda Condos. We are promoting Marila Condos. But
Exactly.
the purpose of this part of this, the beginning of this video, is to show all the amenities and exactly how you guys work with all the amenities, the location, all this part. I would like to know a little bit more, and our investors would like to know.
Excellent, Osvaldo. So yes, as we mentioned, we have Marila and we have Miranda.
Yes.
So I always call it the smiley face. So it's like a smile face. So we have right now where we're at, which is Miranda, and then we're gonna be having Marila.
Right.
So it's gonna create a semicircle, okay?
Yes.
So it's gonna be connecting, but it's not gonna be sharing, okay?
Exactly.
So the way
Yes.
that we decided is that we wanted to have something close to the beach, because this is 38, which is takes you to the beach in just 2 minutes walking or
Even
less.
less, I don't know.
Okay.
Just there.
Fast walking.
Yes.
But what we said is we want to have swimming pools in here
Right.
for you to relax, jacuzzis, okay,
Right.
but also having a little bit of the relaxing side if you're gonna have a party, if you're gonna get together,
Right.
or maybe a birthday cake, you can do it out
Yes.
there, which is gonna be outside of the area of the pool,
Right.
which is gonna be also having fun in here, but having also a little
But
bit
in the same area.
In the same area.
And as you mentioned before to start the video, in the back part of this, this is a part that you also can like do your work, like a home
Yes.
office or something. There's something that right now people and investors, they are looking if they want to come to visit Playa or invest in something like that, right?
Yes, and even if they have still home office, which a lot of
Yes.
people of you do have also still home office, you can do that right here. Everything in this tower is Wi-Fi, okay?
This is your office.
This is your office.
This is pretty cool, man.
Literally, you bring your chair in here, put your laptop, work a couple of minutes, then
Right.
say, 5-minute break, close it up, dip into the pool, get outside,
That's awesome.
dry out, keep on working. And I'm gonna let you a little secret, okay?
Okay.
Behind there, we
Okay.
still have a jungle. You can still see every now and then spider monkeys.
No way.
Yes, you do.
Can we go right now?
Yeah, we can.
I don't know if we can see it, but we're gonna try to catch a little monkey. But before to go and see that part, what exactly are the amenities that we're gonna have in Marila? Important amenities, because as I mentioned before on the videos that we make, is not only a property. We don't show just a property. We're gonna explain you all that is important to have in a property with the amenities.
Exactly. So literally, it's gonna be your condo. So it's gonna
Exactly.
be your
Okay.
little paradise, your home away from home.
It is.
So you're gonna be having a concierge team, okay,
Yes.
which is gonna be downstairs.
That's cool.
But we're also having one upstairs. As soon as you come from the elevators,
Okay.
there's gonna be one out there too. So
That's cool.
if you forget something in your room, they can help you out. Okay.
That's nice.
On the rooftop, we're having, of course, pools, we're having the jacuzzis, we're having the bars, we're having the areas for lunch, okay? We're having all that on top. On the bottom, starting from, of course, the parking lot, which is gonna be underground parking lot. So
That's
your
cool.
car, if you have a car, it's gonna be safe of the heat and the water damage
Yes.
or anything that sometimes from the streets you can get it, okay?
Like right now, it's cloudy, it's not raining, but it's also part of the seasons that you got in
Yes.
in the paradise.
And-
It can be cloudy, but also
And
that's
you know
important.
that feeling when you have your car just detailed, and
yes.
next morning all the water
Like,
comes
what's
out,
that?
and
I
you're
just
like,
clean it
no!
up.
Well,
That's true.
That's gonna save you a little bit of that.
That's true.
You're having also a game room and also another bar out there. Okay.
Okay.
We're having a gym and an area also for the spa.
Wow. Like as you heard right now, the amenities is very important when you are looking to invest in a property right now, like we are saying, it's not only Mexican investors. There's people abroad. There are foreigners. They're looking. They're watching this video. They are investing in that part of Mexico. What do you think they are coming, or they are like looking at Mexico, Playa del Carmen, to invest in a property? What do you think?
It's the best thing to do right now. Okay. It's creating a great value. It's really safe. The money and the way that everything goes down here, it's totally encrypted, if you want to call it, because there are no gaps. It's basically you get the money, you go through the bank account, it comes in, we go the paperwork, and that's it. There's no gaps of, oh, I have to send it to the Mexican government to verify it or something like that. No. Wire transfer is the best thing right now, so relax and have fun. And sometimes when you are in a hotel or when you go on vacations, you have to think about, what do you like?
Exactly.
And what if your customer or your tenant will have all those amenities? Would you like it?
Yes, of course.
Of course you would.
Yes.
And he's gonna pay you extra for it?
Of course. That's the part that I wanted to end it up this part of the video, because next we're gonna go and see the showroom. Is if you have just an apartment, is one price per night.
Exactly.
If you have an apartment in a condo, like a premium condo with amenities, is that the same price?
No, it's higher price.
Okay. Why?
Yes, because you're having all the amenities.
Exactly.
Because let's say, for example, you have an apartment, okay? Amazing apartment, you spend your money in there in just one apartment.
Yes.
You will rent in Airbnb or AirDNA or whatever company you normally use. But that's it, no amenities. What if I told you that I can get you an apartment which is similar to it, but you will have a pool in there? That's an extra value in there. And someone's gonna be taking care of your tenant, doing check-ins and check-outs.
That's another extra value.
That's extra value.
And also, last part but not the least, is this. We talked already a little bit about the administration, but you guys gonna help you out with all this part to the investors. And who is the developer of Marila and Miranda? It's a recognized developer, because people also said, where I'm investing, who is this guy? Like, I like how you guys talk, but who are they?
Perfect. So it's called Simca. Okay. So Simca, it's one, if not the biggest developer in the south of Mexico. Okay. So we've been in the market for more than 15 years. Okay.
Nice.
We've given more than 30 developments. Okay.
Oh, wow.
And we're really, really strong. What gives us the advantage, if you want to call it, is that we're greedy, because we have the whole process. We don't leave anything out. So we own the land, we build it, we sell it, and we also give you the owner services post-sale with the rentals if you want with us.
That's
so
nice.
Everything's a full circle with us, and that's how we've been in the market for so long.
For so many years. So guys, let's go with Ayrton right now to check and how this beautiful showroom looks like. Let's go. That part of the video, we're gonna show you the showroom, and Ayrton is gonna explain us a little bit more of how exactly we have in this is amazing showroom. So can you explain a little bit about this showroom that you got?
For sure, for sure. So this is a 2-bedroom, apartment, which is amazing. You have an access of a terrace we're gonna show you, which is amazing.
They will see it, and
this is a ground floor, but even though it's a ground floor, as you can see, it's not actually on the ground.
Exactly.
It's one level up. So it's pretty nice that what you have is a little bit of the terrace. You will see a little bit of the street. So you have that vibe of having a first floor, but in a ground floor.
It's also kind of like, if you're on the ground floor, sometimes it's just like the parking lots and everything. And when you are a level up, you got this. This is an amazing view, actually. So they will see it during the video. And then from this part, right now we are in the living room.
Yes.
And what else is the kitchen? And they got some like special spaces like the laundry.
Exactly.
What does include in that
Perfect.
showroom?
So as we were mentioning, so it's 1,400 square feet, okay? So it's a pretty big apartment by itself. So you will have your own area for the kitchen, which is an
Right.
island, which gives you also a space so you can
Right.
actually have dinner right there with your friends.
Oh, let's go.
Then you also have your dining room,
Yes.
living room, you have the laundry room, and the 2 bedrooms that I mentioned, one for the kids and one for you with an amazing view.
One of the questions that sometimes ask us on the channel, this type of apartment is just to live on the apartment, or you can rent it out? What is your advice for that, for those investors that are looking to buy or to acquire something in Playa del Carmen, which is an amazing city, but it's not just a second home. You can get some money out of it.
I always say, if you want to have something bigger, it's for you to have fun at it. Okay, so having
Okay.
fun at your home, outside of your home, is the important part.
That's true.
So having a bigger place gives you liberty or gives you that home vibe. So one apartment like this is
Yeah.
perfect, which you're not gonna feel so close.
Yeah, exactly.
You have that vibe of coming home, relaxing, going back home,
Right.
and then money comes in because you're not there, and this thing is renting and it's going by crazy.
You told me this is a free administration, that condo.
Yes.
But the question is, you guys can help the investors if they need administration or a company to manage?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course. With Simca, we always go hand in hand with you, okay?
That's
And
cool.
with the client. So what we do is that we make sure that everything is so happy for you.
Okay.
That starting from developing, giving you all the heads up of how everything's being done with your apartment,
Okay.
the new updates that we have, and
Yes.
once it's sold, we also help you out. That if you need help on that part, we have Happy Address, which is our
Yes.
company that is in charge of doing the rentals for you. And they will make everything clear for you that month by month, you'll get the report of see how much money you're coming in.
That's a really good tip from Ayrton, because this is we do everything for you. It's not just to acquire the property. It's just to see above and beyond and check exactly how it's gonna work. And one more question from this apartment: how does include in the apartment? Is like you see it right now, or is with a different?
Yes, so the facilities that we give you is what we call totally equipped.
Okay.
So the equipment that you will need, which is basically your air conditioning, your fans, your closets, the laundry room,
Right.
all that is gonna be given by us.
Okay.
Literally, what you have to do is bring your furniture and the decoration that you want for your apartment.
That's good.
it.
You can like bring your own style.
Exactly.
You don't need to like a standard furniture.
No.
Doesn't
So
go that
that's also another thing. If
Okay.
you like to do that part of an apartment, if you love the designing of the
Right.
apartments, you go nuts. You do what you want in your apartment. It's yours
cool.
at the
That's
end of
cool.
the day.
Yeah.
You put this chair, and this table. Good. If you want, we can also do it for you.
That's the
Just
next
let us
question that I
know.
wanted to ask you. Okay.
Hey, we want you to help us out to make this one right here in our apartment. We have the pictures, we have everything.
Right.
We'll put it in your apartment, no problem at all.
Okay. And I think this is the best part of the video, which is the value of I don't like to call it the price, because it is a product, but it's more than
Yeah.
a product. So the value of this property, I know you have a special thing for us, but
Yes.
exactly like how much is worth this apartment in Playa del Carmen?
Well, this apartment by itself, you can have it closer, farther, but this location to us, it's perfect.
It's a
It's
premium.
literally just one straight away.
Yep.
So value, it's around the 600.
Okay, 600K.
600K.
But if investors are looking to this video,
We do have a
give
special.
us something, man. Like you just, I don't
We
like.
have a
give us
special
something.
deal just for you,
Okay,
And
okay.
for
And
all your
for all those
followers
guys.
and
Okay.
all those you guys out there,
Okay.
we do have a 5-5. Okay?
550K.
Yes.
That's $50,000 discount.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You can twist my arm a little bit if you want.
Okay,
We can work
okay.
something out for you, but just
Okay.
hit us up. We need to know what you want, and we'll make sure to work with you.
That's a good point, because this is like the showroom that Marila got, but also we went up with Ayrton to see the amazing view
Penthouse.
and penthouse. I know this guy is in love with a penthouse. I am in love too. But the question is, it's not the only type of apartment that you guys have here. You got different typologies,
Exactly.
right?
So the beauty about it is that if you want something forward to the street for a 2-bedroom lock-off, we have it. If you want this type of unit, which is without a lock-off, we have it. And even though I know not a lot of people like to talk about it, we do have penthouses available. So.
This is what is the advantage of a penthouse? Like, I know,
Wow.
you know, but
Yes.
probably those guys, they like, why they call you penthouse? What is a penthouse?
The penthouse by itself, it's 2 houses. So it actually is an apartment with 2 floors.
Exactly.
And the view that you have from there is amazing. If you like being in a bar, for example, in Singular, or if you like to be in, let's say, at Thompson's,
Right.
at the restaurant, at
Right.
Patch, you're having a meal and you have that breeze and you're like, wow. Imagine having that breeze, but at your own home.
You sold me already.
It's like, what?
Yeah,
I can
exactly,
open a
yeah.
beer at my apartment, just sitting down, chilling, and just looking at the waves? Yes, you can.
And it's in a like one of the most important cities, I would say, even in Mexico, which is Playa del Carmen. So you got all these tips from Ayrton, and I don't know if you want to add something else from our investors. They need to know from the city, from the location, from you guys.
Yes, please come down here,
Yes.
check it out. I always say, if you're gonna do something like that, invest your time in doing the due diligence.
Exactly.
Here,
Yes,
it's
that's a good point.
amazing. Playa del Carmen is growing, the train is coming, more things are coming. 38th Avenue, which was a small little avenue,
Right.
now it's the boom right now.
Exactly.
For all the restaurants, all the bohemian,
Right.
and there's more things coming down to Playa, but it's not gonna go into a city vibe. It's gonna go into a bohemian vibe, which is relax and have fun at paradise.
Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like how Ayrton explained us right now this amazing apartment, just give us a like, share this amazing information, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Ciao.
See ya.